Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on Picture-in-Picture, because that's the feature that lets YouTube float over other apps. Open Settings, go to Apps, pick YouTube, then enable Picture-in-Picture. If you already use YouTube Premium, enable background playback too so audio continues. Once done, test Pi-P by playing a video in YouTube, then press Home. The player should shrink into a corner. Make sure your Android is updated to Android 8 or newer. Otherwise, Pi-P won't be available. Next, combine Picture-in-Picture with split screen when you need more control. Play any video in YouTube, then press Home to drop the Pi-P player. You can drag it to any corner. To use split screen, open Recent Apps, tap the app icon and select Split Screen, then choose the second app. Once set, you'll have a resizable Pi-P over one window while the other app stays interactive. If the video stops, tap the Pi-P to reopen controls and resume playback. To finish, adjust permissions and optimizations so YouTube stays reliable when used with other apps. If Pi-P won't start, go to Apps, right arrow Special App Access, right arrow Display over other apps and grant permission. If audio or playback drops, disable battery optimization for YouTube. Once done, test by switching between apps, resizing Pi-P and toggling split screen. If things still go wrong, force stop YouTube, reboot your phone, and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.